Hi, my name is Luis Armando Reyes Moctezuma from the Tecnológico de Monterrey Architecture Program. Today, I will present an analysis for the Van Nel factory located in Rotterdam, Netherlands. It was designed between 1925 and 1931 by Johannes Brickman and Leonard van der Vlugt for the Van Nel Company, originally dedicated to the production of coffee, tea, and tobacco. This building is considered one of the greatest icons of modernist industrial architecture. The complex consists of three long rectangular blocks of different heights, arranged horizontally and connected through glass bridges. The horizontal volumes of the production halls are balanced with vertical elements such as the cylindrical stair tower and the chimney. Although large in scale, the use of glass and slender steel frames gives the building a sense of lightness and human accessibility. Its geometry is rectilinear, based on a modular structural grid. The interior follows a functional linear layout. Raw materials enter at the upper levels and move downward as production progressed, optimizing workflow. Circularization combines stairs, elevators, ramps, and elevated glass walkways, keeping routes clear and separating workers from material transport. Known as the world's first daily factory, it features continuous glass facades that allow even shadow-free natural light. The materials that they used to construct this factory was reinforced concrete for the structural frame, steel for the secondary structure, glass for the curtain walls. This combination creates a modern, transparent, and hygienic environment that was groundbreaking for its time. The Van Nel factory is an emblem of the new objectivity movement, aligned with Bauhaus and the international style. It rejects ornamentation and embraces functionality, clarity, and rationality. Inspired by ideas such as Le Corbusier's "a house is a machine for living in," this factory becomes a machine for working, open, efficient, and transparent. It responded directly to the dark, oppressive factories of the late 19th century, proposing a new, human-centered industrial model. This building made lasting contributions to architecture. It introduced fully glazed curtain walls in an industrial building. Its reinforced concrete skeleton with mushroom columns allowed completely open floor plans. It pioneered a design approach focused on workers' well-being, anticipating later concepts of environmental psychology and neuroarchitecture. It proved that industrial architecture could be efficient, healthy, and socially progressive. Its clarity, transparency, and modularity helped shape modern functionalism. In 2014, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its global importance. The Van Nel factory is a fundamental icon of modern industrial architecture because it redefined how workspaces should be conceived, full of natural light, ventilation, transparency, and dignity for workers at a time when factories were usually dark and oppressive. Its concrete skeleton without load-bearing walls, its fully glazed facades, and its efficiency set a new standard for industrial design. However, its contribution to architecture was not complete. From a formal perspective, the building did not innovate aesthetically. Since its form results almost entirely from its function, there is no expressive intention beyond the logic of production. It does not propose new morphologies or push modernist visual language in a creative direction. In other words, its value lies not in its form, but in its function, clarity, and the way it organizes, illuminates, and dignifies work. Therefore, the Van Nel factory is revolutionary in terms of efficiency, human well-being, and social thinking, but limited in terms of formal expression. Even so, its legacy as a model of transparency, rationality, and human industrial design continues to influence contemporary architecture. Thank you.